one of the important part. See, human resource planning कब करते हैं? First of all, they need to find out does the organization will be going for expansion and diversification. We need to do the human resource planning. How much employees we have are having currently? How much employees will be requiring in future? And in which category we will be requiring the employees in the future? In which location? Which designation? Everything needs to be find out by the HR department. Then secondly, if you talk about a training and development department, you need to see the performance of the employees inside the organization, and you need to find out which employees are lacking with the deficiency or lacking with the performance inside the companies, or they are not up to the mark inside the companies. They're not performing well. So you need to find out those employees and you need to give them the training. So even the training is also one of the important part in which you need to see, you need to make sure that key which kind of training is required. Does the person lacking with the knowledge, does the person lacking with skills, abilities, okay, competencies, what exactly he wants. Some people are good with the knowledge, but but they are not good with the communication skills. Some people are very good with the communication skills and other abilities, but they are not into convincing the clients, and they are not converting into customers. So there are a lot many things you can see whenever you talk about like converting the person, or you can providing to find out efficiency of our employees inside a company. So it is more important for the person key which kind of training will be requiring to this guy. That is one of the crucial part. And for how many days, like 1 month, 2 month, or 3 month training will be providing to him. Similarly, the HR department needs to find out a trainer. He need to find out a trainer. He need to make the documents. He need to make sure that whatever training schedules are there, that is in a proper way. So there are various stuffs are there, various things are there that needs to be considered. At the same time, the training has to be scheduled. Then various facilities that will be requiring inside the company. ये सारा चीज एचआर डिपार्टमेंट का होता है. लोग बोलते हैं कि एचआर डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है? एचआर डिपार्टमेंट बहुत काम करता है. ऐसा नहीं कि एचआर डिपार्टमेंट कुछ नहीं करता. सी, investing money in different portfolios or different businesses, it is a role of a finance department. Or they need to always has a track on the market, what exactly market is currently behaving, or how it is doing how it is doing currently in a with respect to business. And the marketing department has a responsibility to bring the business inside the organization. But the HR department has a special role. They need to maintain the employees in a company. They need to stay connected. They need to make sure that whichever employees are there, वो हमेशा खुश रहे, कंपनी के अंदर काम करे. अगर उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो वो प्रॉब्लम किस तरह से हम उसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Unless and until the person is not what you say a well asset to the organization, we can able to leave him. But whenever you have an asset, whenever you have a talented and skilled employees associated with the organization, it is the responsibilities of the organizations to make sure that कि आप उसको अच्छी तरह से मेंटेन रखे, आप ध्यान रखे कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा वो आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे रहेगा. दैट इज मोर क्रूशियल पार्ट. So that overall human resource has this kind of response. There are many concepts are there, but slowly and gradually will move forward. Okay. So first, I'll just share my screen. Okay. Can you see the presentation?
Yes, sir.
You can see the presentation. Okay, good. So this is the first chapter. We have recruitment and selection, recruitment, job analysis, and job design. Now, recruitment का मतलब होता है whenever you do a good amount of attracting, the one of the most important part of attracting the prospective employee or a candidate to apply for a specific job inside the organization, that is said to be the recruitment part. Recruitment का मतलब ये नहीं कि you are selected. रिक्रूटमेंट का पार्ट होता है कि द यू आर डिजायरिंग, यू आर what you say, you make sure that you mm, attract the potential candidate to apply for a specific job inside the organization. That is said to be the recruitment process. Okay, job analysis is something like you need to find out the various available vacancies inside the organization, how many vacancies would be available, and how many vacancies we can fill, टू मेक श्योर दैट कि जो जो वैकेंसीज अवेलेबल है, जो जो वैकेंसीज हमको चाहिए, या जो हम आगे जाके हमारे कंपनी के परफॉर्मेंस के हिसाब से वी विल गोइंग फॉर एक्सपेंशन डाइवर्सिफिकेशन, ओके, ऑफ द कंपनी, तो हाउ मेनी न्यू वैकेंसीज विल बी अवेलेबल विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उसको बोलेंगे आप जॉब एनालिसिस. नाउ दिस जॉब एनालिसिस विल बी डिवाइडिंग इनटू टू पार्ट्स, दैट इज जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन. डोंट वरी, आगे जाके इन डिटेल हम ये सारा चीज देखने वाले हैं. Okay, with respect to job analysis has a two part, that is job description and a job specification. Job description is something like what are the various duties and responsibilities a persons will gonna perform inside the organizations in the entire day. एक दिन भर में एक इंसान या एक एम्प्लॉय क्या क्या अलग अलग तरीके के ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी परफॉर्म करेगा, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शंस. इस उसके अंदर आता है टाइटल, डेजिग्नेशन, लोकेशन, वेरियस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, whom he will be reporting, बला फला फलाना सब कुछ में आएगा. एंड जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन का मतलब होता है to fulfill that duties and responsibilities, what are the various education qualification will be requiring, education qualification, or you can say the experience will be requiring to fulfill that job description, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे job analysis. एंड जॉब डिजाइन का मतलब होता है कि एक इंसान या जो उसका current job है, or what you can say, the job, whatever current performance or current work he will be doing, or whatever work the person, for example marketing manager का responsibility रहेगा to attract the new customers, to convince the new customers to purchase the products, to do the good amount of advertisement and marketing of the products and services, to make sure to increase the database, to increase the geographical location with respect to business. That will come under your job design कि आप लोग दिन भर में क्या क्या काम करोगे एंड एंड ऑफ द डे आप क्या काम करोगे. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ जॉब डिजाइन. एग्जैक्टली आप क्या क्या काम करोगे उसको हम बोलेंगे जॉब डिजाइनिंग. So first, the introduction part, that is a term recruitment may be defined as a process to discover the source of manpower to meet the requirement or the staffing schedule, and to employ effective measures for attracting that manpower in an adequate number to facilitate the selection of an efficient working force. Now manpower का मतलब भी होता है human resource. Okay, manpower planning का भी मतलब होता है human resource. Recruitment is a process of searching for and obtaining the applicant for a job from among whom the right people can be selected. See, recruitment is said to be the pool matlab not a swimming pool, it is a candidate pool from where we will search and we will get the good person or the right person for the job. Okay, and it will be selected. Recruitment as a process for searching for a prospective employee and stimulating them to apply for the job inside the in the organization. This is the definition given by Edwin Flippo. He says that you need for a, it is a search for a prospective employee and stimulating them to apply for a job in the organization. These are the overall objectives of the company: to create human resource at the right position in the organization and can be a core competency or a strategic advantage for it. The objectives of the recruitment process is to obtain the right number and quality of employee that can be selected in order to help the organizations to achieve the goals and objectives. So the main part of the organization is to make sure that the right person at right job at right place. This is the thumb rule of recruitment process. You need a right person at right time at right place. Right person matlab it will be a marketing person into the marketing department. Okay, and in right time ka matlab, but as per the company policy, whenever they find कि वो this person will be requiring inside the organization, in the organization for a marketing department, you need to select that person. So you need to find out a person from the pool, that is the candidate pool, to attract people with the multi-dimensional skills and experience that suits the present and the future organizational strategies. Then to develop an organization culture that attracts competent people globally, to act as a link between the employee and a job seeker and ensure a scientific selection. Scientific selection का मतलब होता है you need to take the GD, personal interview or an aptitude test, whatever the things are there which will help you to find out the right skills and knowledge of an employee. It is said to be
Sir,
scientific.
change the slide.
Okay, I have changed the slide. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So to act as a link between the employees and the job seeker and ensure scientific selection to gain a competitive edge by hiring and retaining the best and the brightest candidate. Have you seen this previous slide? क्या आपको वो भी देखने को नहीं मिला? Have you
It was
seen this
on the
slide?
first slide only.
Actually, you was on the first slide only.
Yes.
Oops, one sec. I'll just stop sharing and I'll again do that. Okay. Now you can see the slides.
Yes, sir.
Is it changing? The slides are changing or no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So, uh, to act as a competitive edge by hiring and retaining the best and the brightest candidate, this is the objectives of the organization, and to ensure that the recruitment policies are in line with the legal requirement and also meet the social obligations of the fund. Then the most important part is that you need to enhance the goodwill and the brand image of the company. See, recruitment is also one of the important factor inside the company. See, recruiting a wrong person and um, make putting some money from the organization, again it is one of the uh, most important investment you can say. So whenever the organization hire an employee in the company, they make sure that the name of the organization will not come on stake. Whenever the Tata Group or Infosys, Patni or Mahindra Sir Mahindra, these are bigger organizations which do the recruitment process. They make sure that they do not do a wrong placement or they do not go for a wrong kinds of recruitment process. Otherwise, what will happen? The person will work for 6 months and the company will be giving him the salaries and he is not giving you the output. Then it will come to the brand name and the goodwill of an organization. So you need to make sure that whenever you do good amount of recruitment process, you will properly enhance the brand image of the organization. Then to acquire a new idea, skills, experience that may provide an opportunity for expansion as well, to ensure the development and maintenance of an adequate manpower in the organization. So these are the objectives of the recruitment process. The slide has been changed to, can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Change it. Okay. So first you have this is the four important concept of recruitment process. First of all, first you have the identifying the required number and source of supply. So first, the most important part of recruitment and selection is to need to find out how many numbers of employees will be requiring in the company. Okay, you might be having different locations, you might be having different branches, okay, different sub branches, small branches, okay, in different parts of a country and in different states. So you need to find out, for example, ICICI Bank might be having n numbers of branches across Maharashtra, might be across India. So where, in which location and which kinds of requirement will be there, that needs to be find out by the human resource department. So human resource has to do how many employees will be requiring in pan India location, and what category, on which different location and with different designation we requiring an employee. That is important. And even you need to also do a source of supply, from where we need to supply the human resource. See, whatever the smaller designations are there, HR executive or training executive, development executive, labor officer, that maximally selected locally, जितने भी उनके लोकली होते हैं वहां से लेते हैं, unless and until you have the bigger designations or the major responsibilities which needs to be fulfilled by the highly qualified and highly skilled person. It is basically selected from the metropolitan cities, okay, where we can find a right source of person who has the right qualities, and he has ample number of experience with respect to human resource. So first you need to do good amount of required numbers, how many numbers will be requiring, that is more important. Then publicize the job detail. It means you need to give the एडवर्टीजमेंट, यू नीड टू गिव द एडवर्टीजमेंट इन द न्यूज़पेपर. अभी जिनके घर पे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया आता है, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में हर वेनेसडे को यू विल ऑलवेज हैव द कॉलम कॉल्ड टाइम एक्सेंट. ओके, दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर द एचआर स्टूडेंट. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में हर वेनेसडे को टाइम एक्सेंट का एक कॉलम आता है, in which you will be receiving all the new details of HR, or what is going on currently in a market with respect to HR will be available on that chart, on that part of the paper. Okay, that is more important. So अगर रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन आप करते हो, या आप HR के रिलेटेड आपको जितने भी नए इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए होते हैं, तो दैट यू विल बी ऑलवेज बी गेटिंग, दैट ऑलवेज बी अवेलेबल ऑन दैट टाइम एक्सेंट वाला कॉलम. So you need to go on Times of India job, or you can say Times of India paper, and on Wednesday ka column you can go and read. Some of the other authors will see, they will read, and they will put the what is the current trend is working into the market, what is current thing is happening into the market with respect to human resource. तो जो जो मार्केट में हो रहा है नया नया, वो सारा चीज आपको वहां पे देखने के लिए मिलता है, एंड विच हेल्प्स यू टू अपग्रेड योर नॉलेज. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. देन encouraging the prospective job seeker का मतलब होता है the candidates, okay, or the employees who will be requiring a job. So you need to encourage the job seeker to apply in a large number. 90% all the details of the job is available on a career portal, or the companies or the organizations who will be requiring the employees in the company will provide you all the detail with respect to current designation, location, everything will be available onto the career portals of the organization. And it will do a lot of advertisement that many people will be applying for that job. दैट इज द अट्रैक्शन पार्ट. सी, किसको नहीं चाहिए आज के डेट पे अच्छा जॉब चाहिए, अच्छी सैलरी चाहिए, अच्छा लोकेशन चाहिए, ये सारा चीज मिलना बहुत नसीब की बात होती है. मतलब आपके घर के बाजू में ऑफिस है, देन यू हैव अ परमानेंट जॉब देयर, यू गेटिंग अ लाख रुपीज सैलरी देयर, and you do not have much workload, so you required lot of good deeds, you required lots of good part in your, you required good amount of luck. तो आज के डेट पे तो you need to travel a lot. ओके, 2-2.5 घंटा आपको ट्रैवलिंग करना पड़ता है. 2-2.5 घंटा ट्रैवलिंग करने के बाद यू गेट इन टू द जॉब एंड यू डू द एंटायर जॉब फॉर द एंटायर डे. सैलरी भी आपको कम आती है. तो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ चैलेंजेस पीपल्स आर फेसिंग. दैट्स व्हाई people are not happy with this process. So you need to make sure that ki whatever jobs the organizations are provided to the employee, it fulfills the requirement of the employee. Job satisfaction is important. Then evaluating the recruiting efforts, whatever recruitment you have done, whatever the efforts you have put, the entire efforts will be always can be seen into the evaluating process. You need to evaluate the process. Now why you need to evaluate the HR process? Because you need to find out whichever employees we have recruited in the company, are these employees are really we have placed at right departments or not. or whatever salaries are allocated to them or whatever salaries offered to them are right or not. Entire stuff needs to be evaluated in a proper way, because whatever money or whatever salaries we are giving to them, it is an investment. अगर कल को 6 महीने के बाद वो एम्प्लॉय छोड़ के चला जाता है, so there's no meaning. So whatever efforts we have done with respect to identifying the number, then giving an advertisement, we have conducted the interview, GD, aptitude test, and then we have placed the candidate in the company. In next 6 months, the person did not performed well, or in 1 year, the person did not well in the company. So the entire effort will be going to vain, so that should not be happen. So you need to evaluate properly whatever you have done in the company. So when you see the picture, I've already put a picture in the slide. The recruitment means, see, when the upper recruitment they have doing the announcement, you are encouraging the employee, they have a CV, they encouraging the employee, the people are applying for a job, and in the second part of selection where you are hired by the company. So that is more important. You need, selection is different and recruitment is different. Recruitment is something like you has the company has been approaching you to apply for a specific job in the company. Okay, wherein selection is something like depends upon your experience and qualified, which will be matching the with the skills, competences and abilities of the employees you are being selected in the company. So this is a two different part. अगर कल को कोई आपको पूछेगा कि रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन का मतलब क्या है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको यही बोलना है कि रिक्रूटमेंट सिर्फ लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करना होता है टू अप्लाई फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक जॉब. And secondly, when you talk about like selection something like based on your skills, abilities and competencies and whatever experience you have, the employees are selected inside the organizations. That is the difference between recruitment and selection. Then you have job analysis, what we have studying earlier. I have given you the basic concept. The information can be obtained through the analysis of the work known as job analysis. See, company or the HR department find out the information from different department, whatever departments are available in the company. They go there personally with the help of observation, or you can say questionnaire or a personal interview. Different kinds of methods are there, and they find out how many vacancies will be available in different departments of the company. सो दे फाइंड आउट कि ये सारे वैकेंसीज हमारे पास में है, और ये नया ये नया वैकेंसीज हम लोग फिल कर सकते हैं, या नया जॉब डिजाइन बना के उसके लिए हम लोग प्रोस्पेक्टिव कैंडिडेट को अप्लाई करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ अ जॉब एनालिसिस. तो यू नीड to find out, in a very simple term, you need to find out how many vacancies are available in the company. उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग job analysis. It is the determination of the task which comprise the job and of the skills, knowledge, abilities and responsibilities required of the worker for a successful performance, and which differentiate one job from the other. That is said to be the job analysis. Now, as I said in the beginning of the class, it has a two part, that is a job description and a job specification. So in job description, you have a job title, you have a job location, you have a job summary, whom you need to report, what are the working condition, job duties, machines to be used, and whatever are the hazards that you need to do. So these are the things you need to keep in mind. And on the other side, what qualification, whatever qualification, experience, training, skills, emotional characteristics is required, it will come under a job specification. Okay, so these are the things you always need to keep in mind whenever you go for a HR department. You will be working for the HR department. So today I'll not teach much because it was just in the introduction part, and is one of the simplest subject you can always have. So recruitment, but as from the company's perspective or from company's knowledge, you need to know what is recruitment and selection, because this is the baby step, or you can say this is the first step of an organization, what they do. So recruiting employees in the company is the first step they always do in an organization. So recruitment and selection, job analysis. So many things are there. I can complete the entire unit today, but हम धीरे धीरे जाएंगे. I need the peoples, और जो HR के बच्चे हैं उनको सा धीरे धीरे पढ़ाना मुझे पसंद है, बिकॉज दिस इज द ओनली फर्स्ट यूनिट विच इज थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंट है. बाकी के यूनिट भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, ऐसा नहीं कि इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द क्रूशल यूनिट. सो आई थिंक कि हम थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे जाएंगे. तो टुडे वाज आवर फर्स्ट लेक्चर, तो आई थॉट कि ठीक है इतना स्लाइड सीखा है, ठीक है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, सी जनरल सब्जेक्ट एंड स्पेशलाइजेशन सब्जेक्ट इज डिफरेंट. सो टुमारो, व्हाट यू से, टुमारो का मतलब होता है आगे जाके आप लोग पूरे, व्हाट यू से, you will be working in HR field, so you should know whatever things will be requiring in the HR, and I will be trying my 100% to make sure that ki you will learn each and every small concepts of HR in a very proper way, and I'll make sure that कि आपका सारा जो HR के छोटे मोटे कॉन्सेप्ट है वो सारे क्लियर हो जाए. दैट विल बी माई फंडा. तो विल मेक श्योर दैट कि हम सारे चीज कवर करें धीरे धीरे, एंड यू विल बी वेरी मच गुड स्पेशलाइज इन टू HR. तो कल को अगर आप लोग अगर HR लेते हैं तो यू शुड ऑलवेज फील प्राउड, हाँ वो HR लेके कोई गलती नहीं किया मैंने. तो यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव दैट फीलिंग इन माइंड. अभी फिलहाल तो वी डोंट हैव फेस टू फेस कॉन्वर्जेशन, तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है, बिकॉज आई लव टू टीच इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे टू द HR स्टूडेंट, बट इट इज ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. पर वील सी एंड मेक श्योर कि हम लोग किस तरह से इसको आगे बढ़ाते जाएंगे. सो टुडे आई हैव जस्ट हैव गिवन यू ग्लांस एंड an overview of recruitment and selection. What is recruitment and selection? We have done the introduction part. You also have come to know the basic knowledge about the job analysis, and आगे जाके हम job design भी करेंगे. Okay. So tomorrow after division A lecture, okay, division A lecture, we will be doing this continuation part of HR. Okay, so I'll share the link as well tomorrow. So requesting you to all to join immediately once I share the link. And simultaneously after this lecture, I'll upload the same on YouTube as well. Okay. Any doubt? एंड कुछ भी डाउट होगा रिस्पेक्ट टू HR, कुछ भी डाउट होगा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू सब्जेक्ट ना रिक्रूटमेंट सिलेक्शन के लिए, feel free to ask me, feel free to ask me whatever you have doubts. Okay, so I'll stop the lecture here now, and tomorrow we'll continue with our recruitment and selection subject. So ask Sir, you should ask the rest of the students to make sure that कि वो HR का class attend करे. And now online lectures है तो मैं कुछ ज़्यादा कर नहीं सकता, but मेक श्योर दैट कि दे अटेंड द क्लास, बिकॉज नहीं तो भी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं रहेंगे, उनके कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर आगे जाके उनको ही दिक्कत हो जाएगा. तो आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई विल क्लियर द कॉन्सेप्ट इन अ वेरी प्रॉपर वे. ओके, अगर कुछ भी डाउट होगा तो आई विल क्लियर इट.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Actually, sir, I want to know that after a chapter finished, you will send the PDF or else you will tell us to prefer some other publication?
No, I don't have PDF with me. I'll share the presentation to you. You can take the book from library.
Which publication means?
Vipul.
Vipul Video. Okay.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
And
It
before
is
this
it.
morning lecture, was there which publication over there then?
Even for strategic management, you have to refer the Vipul ka book.
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you.
Because the Vipul publication has very simple language. The most simple language for BMS student is you can refer a Vipul book. See, I can tell you Meghra ka book, or I can tell you Himalayas ka book, but at the end of the day, the purpose should be get fulfilled. You need to understand the concept. This is your second year, and the concepts are new to you. So if you didn't understand the concept, then what is the meaning of that book? तो माई पर्पस इज दैट कि आप कोई भी बुक रेफर करो, ऐसा नहीं कि विपुल का बुक रेफर करो, बट आई रिकमेंड कि आप विपुल का बुक रेफर करो, विच हैज अ वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज टू अंडरस्टैंड. दैट इज द ओवरऑल फंडा दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो.
Okay, sir, no problem. We'll do that.
Hmm. So tomorrow we'll come start again with the first unit, the remaining part, and we'll complete that. As of now, then we'll take a leave from a lecture. Okay, should I leave the call? Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you very much. Thank you to all. And be in touch. Be present for lecture tomorrow as well. We really enjoy the lecture and make sure you come on time and we'll have the good session. Thank you to all.